Orotongoretie kanitha ya AIPCA SAMSON MUTHURI na urite tongoria monde ma MERU gwisha bamwe na gutigana na KWOROTANA ciara nontu wa utongoria augite tha ino MERU iti bantu ni bega mragwikara nthi gwa atongoria niko kubatirie kwithirwa kuri boni kenda kubonokia kaunti ya MERU nacokete auga ona thirikari nene ni bati gwikara nthi na rutere ruregani nikenda gushuwa njira ya kwendamia ngarama ya uturo ititie banene mutugikare ena riboti ino.
Mweri muthiru nyuma ya ngabana wa MERU Kawira Mwangaza kuonokwa ni mbunge ya seneti kwengatwa gitine rajaire na thiri gati kawe na atongeria bara bathuri na kura neonekene kirema kugwatikana akiaria murungamiri wa makanisa ja AIPCA Bishop SAMSON MUTHURI kiri mongo jwa Kenya na ugite aja MERU ni ukwenda utongeria bubwega akiuria ngabana Mwangaza agaichiria no kakomeno ni untuni mutongeria mwekuru kiria bati kuthire ni ukaranthi guru na atongeria bo bathikanire nenya kiuria atongeria bo bange na bo bamuthikire
na ukagita muntu uga na kumenwa ni untu bakwithirwa perhaps imwekuru ikamantu jau aside we ya the leadership ekuru batimena our neighbor Tanzania president wa imwekuru na ntaiwe muntu kumumena simply because imwekuru akendwa no provide leadership ile kwendekana ote muntu mubura kinya MERU itukwenda leadership njega ukauga ko kumena muntu imwekuru dikira atongeria bangi na atongeria ubangi na bakuthikire tusobde na MERU na ndigure twita na njira njega
gitumi Bishop MUTHURI adita migambo eje ariuga no ka kaunti ya MERU ithangarene nande na mwingi jwa MERU yote komya na ara kaunti eje erekerete na kiria nande ta kanisa bakwenda ni atongeria babonde bathuri gochwira kaunti eje ya MERU ntaira.
They are elected leaders. We know the county is in a mess. We don't know where we are headed to. We require them to come out with the solutions to save our county as well. Blame game will not assist them at all. At the end of the day, all of them will be losers. And the county will lose.
Bishop MUTHURI adiuga ntukuri na andu agutemera ndia witi na mbere yomba kuonekana ku.
They should unite just like other counties and ensure that the national government brings development into our county. Where people are divided, the rest of the communities will take advantage of you.
Diene mutongeria uju akiringithia siasa cha thirikari nene Iromba thirikari kugwatana na atongeria barare gani nayo kenda bonde bagatirimania mathugani amabachwire ntaira uria maugurije into mwanya bikomba kwinama kwegitarire uchumi bwithirite bugitie guru muno.
We support the government in its effort to reconstruct this country. We have so many problems, we have so many economic challenges that we need to address. We should first and foremost keep politics aside because the electioneering period ended last year. Because if we continue fighting, that the standard of living is rising up every now and then, and we are not offering any solution to those who are governing this country. And I hope also the government will cooperate even with the opposition leaders to ensure that our country comes back to life.
Kiripotra Toshia Wero Rea Kwari Etwane Motugi Kare.